Hi everybody, my name is Brandon Leafblad and I'm the co-founder of AudioFusion Systems, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in September at the Calvary Chapel West Coast Worship Conference. We are going to be at the conference to give a demonstration of our software that makes in-ear monitoring affordable for any church by turning your iPhone and iPads into a wireless in-ear monitoring system. Now there's going to be a couple different ways at the conference that you'll be able to hear AudioFusion for yourself and experience how easy it is to set up and use. We'll have a booth set up during the conference with a demo of the technology running, so stop by between sessions and hear the sound quality for yourself. Second, look on the schedule for one of my workshops where you'll learn everything you need to know to get stereo wireless in-ear monitoring at your church at a fraction of the cost of traditional hardware systems. If your church is using floor monitors or wedges, or would like to start using in-ear monitors, if you already have personal monitor mixers but would like to go wireless, or if your band ever wanted to play to a click or run tracks, then this workshop is for you. Third, come out to any one of the open mic events each night at the conference. And if you'd like to try in-ear monitoring in a live performance, we'll have available for you all the earphones and devices that you would need to give it a try yourself, or listen to the mix of one of the musicians on stage. Now I know this conference is going to be refreshing and inspiring to you and your team. The lineup of speakers and worship leaders is incredible, and our goal is to equip you with the technology and resources to do with excellence what you do each and every week. See you out in California.